Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to open some packs and showing you my binder. So first pack of the Panini Adrenalyn packs. We have, I have no clue what your name is, sorry, Pogba, Lucas Moura, Dean Henderson, free digital pack again, Everton midfielder, Andre Gomez, shiny, and Jordan Pickford top keeper. Pretty good pack. Moving on to the next pack, we have Andre Gomez again, but normal card. Heung-min Son. In the comments, can you tell me what this thing is? Heung-min Son, Arsenal lineup, free digital pack, Premier League trophy, let's go, and I have no clue, and Wolves Wanderers badge. Pretty good pack, to be honest. Last and final pack. We have, I can't open the pack, Liverpool forward, this guy, the Thing again, Aston Villa, Jack Cork, Arizona Lager, I have no clue how you say his name, this guy, free digital pack, and Game Breaker Rodrigo. Pretty good pack as well. Only one shiny in that one though. I'm just going to be showing you my binder as well. So we got these two here. This is the start of the Liverpool squad. Already have him. Moving on to Man City. Man United. I just put in Pogba there. Alright, Chelsea. Next, Tottenham. Lucas Moura, just added there. Moving on to Arsenal. Oh, I didn't see this here. Going back to actually Tottenham. We have Heung-min Son, which I need to put in, which goes here. And going actually onto Arsenal this time, we have these people. have another duplicate here. Leicester, quite empty. Moving on to Wolves. Just got the badge today. Newcastle. Moving on to Everton. Also got Andre Gomez there. Sheffield United. Also got another Sheffield United player here as well. Next team after this page would be Burnley. Also got another player there. Moving on to Southampton, which I haven't got anyone from these new packs. Crystal Palace. Don't have any of those either. Moving on to Brighton. Which I got someone here. This person there's new. West Ham here. Declan Rice there. Can't get this new player in. Next team is Aston Villa. Also got a new player here. Right there. Just put in. Moving on to Leeds. Just got a few of these today. I mean, yesterday. But none today, sadly. There's Tyler Roberts and Helder Costa. West Brom. Empty page here, but I got someone new here. He would go here. I think so anyway. Yeah, there. Moving on to my specials. Just put in Pickford there, which we got. Defensive rocks. Game breakers. Put in Rodrigo there. Moving on to diamonds. Lightnings. Haven't got any of them from our packs. Moving on to heroes. Next page. Also got you here. Another page of heroes. Elites. Another page of elites. Another page of elite. I have none of these actually. Wait, let me just go back here. We just got you. Premier League trophy we just got. And the rest of these are just blank until we get to the last page, which I got from a starter pack. Salah and Bruno Fernandes. I actually forgot someone for Chelsea. Didn't see him, but I've already got him. So that is my binder and opening packs. Thank you for watching, and bye.